Listen, there's an easier way to clean your bike. Flowgenix is an American-made, lab-formulated ceramic coating that instantly shines, shields, and protects your motorcycle. Flowgenix instantly creates a hydrophobic, water-repellent nano-ceramic coating. Water, rain, and mud will bead off like magic. This is the same ceramic technology used by professional detailers, but now you can experience the powerful benefits without paying thousands of dollars. You'll be shocked at how easy it is to apply. You can clean and shine your entire bike in under 10 minutes. No pre-wash needed. The instant ceramic coating bonds to paint with ease. Flowgenix gives you the power to turn back the hands of time and make your old bike look brand new again. Old leather instantly comes back to life. Make old chrome shine like a mirror. Revive dull paint and shine like new. We know this is the best detailing product you'll ever use. That's why we offer a 100% money-back guarantee on every purchase. If you don't like it, you don't pay. Simple as that. There's a reason why Flowgenix has over 1,000 five-star reviews and is named the #1 detailing company in the USA. Join the thousands of people who have already ordered and become part of the flow. Take care of what you love most and buy Flowgenix now.